Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
What's your name?
My name is Anna.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from Brazil.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
How are you today?
I am good, thank you.
What do you do for a living?
I am a teacher.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am a bit hungry.
What time is it?
It is 3:30 p.m.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Where do you live?
I live in New York City.
Are you married?
No, I am not married.
What do you want to eat?
I want to eat pizza.
How do you feel today?
I feel happy today.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love to travel.
Are you allergic to anything?
No, I am not allergic to anything.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 2 brothers.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play soccer.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta.
Are you a morning person?
Yes, I like mornings.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love coffee.
What's your job?
I am an engineer.
Are you tired?
No, I am not tired.
Do you read books?
Yes, I enjoy reading books.
Where would you like to go?
I would like to go to Japan.
Do you drive a car?
Yes, I drive a car.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I enjoy watching movies.
How much water do you drink daily?
I drink 2 liters of water daily.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer.
Are you afraid of heights?
No, I am not afraid of heights.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I exercise 3 times a week.
Do you play musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
Are you on social media?
Yes, I use Instagram.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love ice cream.
Are you happy with your job?
Yes, I am happy with my job.
Do you have a hobby?
Yes, my hobby is painting.
Are you planning a vacation?
Yes, I am planning a vacation next month.
What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Are you busy today?
Yes, I have a lot of work to do.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I cook my meals.
Do you have children?
Yes, I have 2 children.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is basketball.
Do you speak any other languages?
Yes, I speak Spanish.
Are you going out tonight?
No, I am staying home.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I love dancing.
How many hours do you work every day?
I work 8 hours a day.
Are you afraid of dogs?
No, I love dogs.
What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is gardening.
Do you like the beach?
Yes, I enjoy the beach very much.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can ride a bike.
What's your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is chocolate cake.
Are you a good singer?
No, I am not a good singer.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, my best friend is Maria.
Are you learning English?
Yes, I am learning English.
What do you like to do on weekends?
I like to relax and watch movies.
Do you like cats or dogs?
I like both cats and dogs.
What's your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Friends.
Can you play chess?
Yes, I can play chess.
Are you a coffee or tea person?
I am a coffee person.
What do you want to be in the future?
I want to be a doctor.
Do you like to read the news?
Yes, I read the news every morning.
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is the elephant.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I have a small car.
Are you good at math?
Yes, I am good at math.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I like to stay home and read.
Are you planning to study abroad?
Yes, I want to study in Canada.
What do you usually have for breakfast?
I usually have toast and coffee.
Can you cook Italian food?
Yes, I can cook pasta.
Are you a morning or night person?
I am a night person.
Do you like hiking?
Yes, I love hiking in the mountains.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas.
Do you enjoy puzzles?
Yes, I enjoy solving puzzles.
Can you play the piano?
No, I can't play the piano.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love spicy food.
Are you interested in history?
Yes, I find history fascinating. Thank you for watching and practicing English with us. We hope these questions and answers helped you improve your speaking skills. If you have any suggestions for future videos or specific topics you'd like us to cover, please let us know in the comments below. Your feedback is very important to us. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Hello My Friend for more fun and helpful English lessons. See you in the next video, and keep practicing.